Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Blessing Rune in Archero 2. In Archero 2, Blessing Runes are one of the rarer types of runes you can collect. The game features four main rune types: Enhancement Runes, Ability Runes, Edge Runes, and of course, Blessing Runes. Now, while you can find them through events and special rewards, the primary source is the Ruin Runes and the Promise Runes. Keep in mind, Blessing Runes have a lower drop rate, around 0.30%, compared to 1.33% for others, so they're harder to come by. You can also snag them from the gacha system or even through limited time event shops. So while they're rarer, with consistent gameplay and participation in events, you'll steadily build up your collection of Blessing Runes in Arc Hero 2. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.